be part of this performance. On vocals, we have Kumari Shonita Srinivasan, who is a student at University of Toronto. She has learned from Sri Ravi Srinivasan, Sri Aravind Narasimhan, Srimati Chalumati Ramachandran, and has actively performed, participated, and won awards in programs for Samana, Papanasam Shivan Days, and Cleveland Aradhana. She also has completed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram from the Shivanjali School of Dance in 2021. On the violin, we have Kumari Maitri Iyer, who is a Sishya of Sri Ravi Narasimhan and is also I'm sorry, that is Ravi Srinivasan, and has also taken advanced training from her guru, Sri Mullai Vasal Chandramouli. She accompanies musicians in Tri-State area and has performed and won awards at Smana and Cleveland Aradhana programs. She is an undergraduate at Rutgers University Honors College, and she's completed her violin Arangetram in 2022. We once again have Saki on Mridangam. Let's enjoy this beautiful piece.
Nino